Hello students, let's do some important questions on trigonometry. Sin A upon 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A upon sin A into sin A upon 1 minus cos A minus 1 minus cos A upon sin A. You have to prove that this is equals to 4 sec A, cosec A and cot A. First, take the LCM of this bracket. 1 minus cos A into sin A. We have 1 minus cos A in the denominator. We will multiply sin A with sin A. We will get sin square A plus sin A. We already have 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A whole square. Bracket close. In another bracket, we are taking left hand side. LCM will be 1 minus cos A into sin A. We have 1 minus cos A in the denominator, sin A into sin A, sin square A minus sin A in the denominator, 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A whole square, bracket close. We have sin square A plus 1 plus cos A whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. We have 1 square is 1 plus cos square A plus 2 cos A upon 1 plus cos A into sin A. Here we have sin square A minus 1 minus cos A whole square. A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. We have 1 square is 1 plus cos square A minus 2 cos A upon 1 minus cos A into sin A. Now बच्चे, we have an identity sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Taking these two, sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos A upon 1 plus cos A into sin A. Bracket close. Here we have sin square A minus 1, minus sign outside the bracket, the signs inside will change. Minus cos square A plus 2 cos A upon 1 minus cos A into sin A. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 cos A upon 1 plus cos A into sin A. Bracket close. Here we have sin square A and cos square A minus 1 and plus 2 cos A. Sin square A can be written as, if sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1, we can write sin square A as 1 minus cos square A. We are writing 1 minus cos square A in place of sin square A. Then minus 1 minus cos square A plus 2 cos A upon 1 minus cos A into sin A. Clear? बच्चे pause the video and note it down. Next step. Two plus 2 cos A. What is common? 2 is common. Inside we have 1 plus cos A upon 1 plus cos A into sin A. Whole bracket close. 1 and 1 get cancelled. Minus cos A and minus cos A. Minus 2 cos square A plus 2 cos A. I am writing 2 cos A minus 2 cos square A upon 1 minus cos A into sin A. Next step, 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A, both terms get cancelled. What do we get? 2 upon sin A. And what is 1 upon sin? Cosec A. We have 2 cosec A. Cosec is the reciprocal of sin. Now, in this case, what is common? 2 cos A is common. What is left inside? 1 minus cos A upon 1 minus cos A and sin A. 1 minus cos A, 1 minus sin A, 1 minus cos A, both get cancelled. What do we left with? 2 cosec A into 2. What is cos A upon sin A? Cos A upon sin A is cot A. So our final answer is 2 into 2, 4 cosec A cot A, which is equals to right hand side. Clear? Prove that 1 minus sin A plus cos A whole square equals to 2 times 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A. Now we have 3 terms, 1 minus sin A plus cos A whole square. What do we do? Let's take this term as A, 1 minus sin A as A, and this term as B. What do we get? A plus B whole square. And what is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. We will get 1 minus, we are doing left hand side, 1 minus sin A whole square plus cos A whole square plus 2 times 1 minus sin A into cos A. Now 1 minus sin A whole square. What is A minus B whole square? A minus B whole square is A square plus B square and minus 2AB. 1 minus sin A whole square is 1 square, 1 plus sin A whole square minus 2 sin A plus cos A square or cos square A. Both are same thing. Let's write cos square A plus 2 cos A into 1 minus sin A. 1 plus sin A whole square. 1 plus sin A whole square can be written as 1 plus sin square A minus 2 sin A plus cos square A can be written as, we have identity, sin square A plus cos square A as 1. And what is cos square A? 1 minus sin square A. In place of cos square A, we will write 1 minus sin square A plus 2 cos A, 1 minus sin A. Now, sin square A, positive, negative, both get cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 sin A plus 2 cos A, 1 minus sin A. What is common in these two terms? 2 is common. 1 minus sin A plus 2 cos A, 1 minus sin A. Now we have one term this and one term this. What is common in these two terms? 2 and 1 minus sin A, both are common. What is left here? 1, not 0. 1 plus 2 and 1 minus sin A is common. What is left? Cos A. So, what is remaining? 2 into 1 minus sin A and 1 plus cos A, which is equals to right hand side. This is our answer. Cosec A minus cot A upon cosec A plus cot A plus cosec A plus cot A upon cosec A minus cot A is equals to 2 times, in the bracket we have 2 cosec square A minus 1, again is equals to 2 times 1 plus cos square A upon 1 minus cos square A. Now, first we will take first side, left hand side. We will prove this to this and again this to this. Now first step, take LCM. Cosec A plus cot A, one term, and cosec A minus cot A, another term. We have cosec A plus cot A in the denominator. We will multiply cosec A minus cot A with cosec A minus cot A. What do we get? Cosec A minus cot A whole square plus cosec A minus cot A we already have in the denominator. We will multiply numerator with cosec A plus cot A. So what do we get? Cosec A plus cot A whole square. Now बच्चे, what is A minus B whole square? You all know A square plus B square minus 2AB. We have cosec square A plus cot square A minus 2 times cosec A cot A plus cosec A plus cot A whole square, again A plus B whole square, cosec square A plus cot square A plus 2 times cosec A cot A. Divide by, we have cosec A plus cot A and cosec A minus cot A. बच्चे, what is A minus B into A plus B? This is equals to A whole square minus B whole square. So we will get cosec square A minus cot square A. 2 cosec A cot A negative and positive, both get cancelled. What do we get? Cosec square A plus cosec square A. 2 times cosec square A. Cot square A plus cot square A. 2 times cot square A upon, what is cosec square A minus cot square A? We have an identity 1 plus cot square A equals to cosec square A. If we subtract cot square A from cosec square A, what is left? 1. So what is left? 1. Now what is common? 2 is common. Inside we have cosec square A plus cot square A. Denominator is 1. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove 2 cosec square A minus 1. What we will do? We will change cot square A. And what is cot square A? Cosec square A minus 1. We have 2 cosec square A plus, in place of cot square A we will write cosec square A minus 1. 2 times 2 cosec square A minus 1. This is our second answer. We have to prove this. Okay, pause the video and note it down. I am rubbing it. Now we have to prove this term. We will prove from the result that we have got. Our result was 2 times 2 cosec square A minus 1. This was our result. Now what is cosec? Reciprocal of sine. 2 upon, in place of cosec square A we can write 1 upon sine square A minus 1. 2 times LCM is sine square A. We have 2 minus sine square A. But our answer must be in cos. Which identity will be used? We have sine square A plus cos square A as 1. In place of sine square A we can write 2 minus sine square A can be written as 1 minus cos square A. We have 1 minus cos square A in place of sine square A. Again in denominator I am writing 1 minus cos square A. 2 into 2 minus sign outside, sign inside will change upon 1 minus cos square A. What is 2 minus 1? 1. So we are left with 2 times 1 plus cos square A upon 1 minus cos square A, which is our right hand side. Clear? sin theta 1 into 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta into 1 plus cot theta. We have to prove that this is equals to sec theta plus cos sec theta. Now we are taking left hand side, sin theta into 1 plus, what is tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta into 1 plus, what is cot? Cot is reciprocal of tan. Tan is sin upon cos and cot is cos theta upon sin theta. We have sin theta, taking LCM, cos theta is LCM. We have cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta. LCM is sin theta. Here we have sin theta plus cos theta. Now, what is common in these two terms? Cos theta plus sin theta is common in both these terms. What is left? Sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta is common. We will take LCM in the bracket. LCM will be cos theta, sin theta. Cos theta we already have. We will multiply sin theta with sin theta and we will get sin square theta plus sin theta we have cos theta multiplied by cos theta, cos square theta. And what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? It is equals to 1. So we have cos theta plus sin theta into 1 upon cos theta sin theta. We have cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta sin theta. Now what we will do? Bachche, if we have term a plus b upon 2, we can write it as a upon 2 plus b upon 2. In the same way, we will write cos theta upon cos theta sin theta plus sin theta upon cos theta sin theta. Cos and cos get cancelled. Here sin and sin get cancelled. What is left? 1 upon sin theta. And what is 1 upon sin? Cos sec theta. Cos sec is reciprocal of sin plus what is 1 upon cos theta? Sec theta, and which is equals to right hand side. Prove 1 plus cot theta minus cos sec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta is equals to 2. We will take left hand side. 1 plus, what is cot? Cos upon sin. Cos theta upon sin theta. And what is cos sec? Cos sec is reciprocal of sin. 1 upon sin theta. 1 plus, what is tan? Reciprocal of cot. Sin theta upon cos theta. And what is sec? Reciprocal of cos. Clear? Now, taking LCM as sin theta. We have sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. And in the next bracket, LCM is cos theta. We have cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Now, in numerator we have sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. If we take this as a single term, let this be A and this be B. We have here A and this is B. And what is A minus B? A plus B. A whole square minus B whole square. So what will we get? Sin theta plus cos theta, which is A whole square minus B whole square upon sin theta cos theta. And what is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. We have sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 times sin theta cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta cos theta. And what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. We have 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta cos theta. 1 and 1 get cancelled. 2 sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Both get, we will get 2 sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Cos theta cancelled. Sin theta cancelled. What is left? 2, which is equals to right hand side. Prove that tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A upon 1 minus tan A equals to 1 plus tan A plus cot A. We are taking left hand side. What is tan A? Sin A upon cos A upon what is cot? Cos upon sin. Cos A upon sin A plus what is cot A? Cos A upon sin A upon 1 minus tan A. 1 minus sin A upon cos A. Next, we have sin A upon cos A upon, in the denominator we will take LCM, which is sin A. We have sin A minus cos A plus cos A upon sin A upon cos A minus sin A upon cos A. Now we have fraction in both numerator and denominator. If we have a term A upon B upon C upon D, we can write it as A upon B into reciprocal of denominator B upon C. In the same way, we will write sin A upon cos A into this sin A in the numerator upon sin A minus cos A plus cos A upon sin A into cos A upon cos A minus sin A. Clear? What do we get? Sin A into sin A, sin square A upon cos A, sin A minus cos A plus cos square A, and in denominator we have sin A and cos A minus sin A. Now, if we will take the LCM, we have one term cos A, one sin A minus cos A, and again cos A minus sin A. What we can do, if we take minus sign outside, we will get the cos term negative and sin term positive. We will get the same term, and where that minus will go, this minus will go in place of plus. So we will have sin square A upon cos A, sin A minus cos A. We are taking minus sign from here. It will go in the numerator. Here we will have cos square A, and in the denominator now we have sin A into sin A minus cos A. We have taken negative sign outside. Now we will take LCM. Now we have only three terms. One is cos A, another is sin A, and one is sin A minus cos A. Here we have cos A and sin A minus cos A. What is left? Sin A. Sin A into sin square A is sin cube A minus. Sin A we have, sin A minus cos A we have. What is left? Cos A. What is cos A into cos square A? Cos cube A. Now What is a cube minus b cube? Very important formula for class 10 students. A cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. बच्चे pause the video and note it down. Now we have sin cube a minus cos cube a. By applying this formula, we will get sin a minus cos a and sin square a plus cos square a plus sin a cos a upon, in the denominator we have cos a sin a and sin a minus cos a. These two terms get cancelled. What is sin square a plus cos square a? 1 plus sin a cos a upon cos a sin a. What we will do? Again a plus b upon 2 can be written as a by 2 plus b by 2. We have 1 upon cos a sin a plus sin a cos a upon cos a sin a. Cos a cancel, sin a cancel. What is left? 1, not 0. What is 1 upon cos a? Sec a. 1 upon sin cos sec a plus 1. This is the answer we get. But our right hand side is 1 plus tan a plus cot a. What do we do? Let's take right hand side. We will take right hand side. Our right hand side is 1 plus tan a plus cot a. 1 plus, what is tan a? Sin a upon cos a. And what is cot a? Cos a upon sin a. LCM is cos a sin a. We have cos a sin a plus cos a in the denominator, sin a into sin a, sin square a plus here we have cos square a. And what is sin square a plus cos square a? 1. We have cos a sin a plus 1 upon cos a sin a. Again same trick. A plus b by 2 is a upon 2 plus b upon 2. We have cos a sin a upon cos a sin a plus 1 upon cos a sin a. These terms get cancelled. What is left? 1 plus 1 upon cos sec a, 1 upon sin cos sec a. This one is the answer of left hand side and this is of right hand side. So we have got the same answer for left hand side and right hand side. So we will write left hand side equals to right hand side. This is our answer.